Students, the plot of osmotic pressure versus concentration for a solution gives a straight line with slope 25.73. The temperature at which the osmotic pressure measurement is done. Okay, so now we need to draw a graph pi versus osmotic pressure versus concentration. Okay, so these kind of questions we will be seeing in JEE mains and NEET exam. So just look, we have a basic relation pi equals to molar concentration multiplied with temperature and R right now. So now here we are drawing a graph pi versus C. So now here I can write pi equals to RT into C. So this is y equals to mx type graph now. So take on y axis you take pi, on x axis you take molar concentration. Now our slope will be like this. Okay, so what is the slope here we have? So given it as 25.73. okay, this is equals to our m, that is RT. Okay, like this you can take. So what we got? RT is equals to 25.73 right now. So from this we need to find temperature. So temperature will be 25.73. okay, what are the units mentioned? Liter bar mole inverse. Okay, and what about R value here we have? So 0.083 liter bar Kelvin inverse mole inverse. So just look at the units, whatever the similar units we have, remove that. Yes, so we are removing Kelvin inverse now. If we write in the numerator, it will become Kelvin. So our answer will be in terms of Kelvins now. Okay, this will be around 310 times. Okay, so temperature we got is 310 Kelvin. Okay, so now there is no option like 310 Kelvin. Now convert this into degrees Celsius. So how can we do? So just do minus 273 so that you will get temperature in terms of Celsius scale as 37 degrees Celsius. Right now, hope it is clear. Now our first option will be the best suitable answer for this question. Now if you wanted to learn more about this osmotic pressure, just go through the playlist of this channel. So you can access complete videos regarding this colligative properties and osmotic pressure. Thank you for watching.